Hey guys, in this video we're going to be changing the air filter, the engine air filter on this International Cummins engine, so I'm going to show you how we do that. Alright, so looking at the top here, you can see we have two bolts, and then there's 2 bolts underneath as well. And you're going to need a number 8 metric socket to get those off. And when you do put these in, you want to make sure they're pretty snug. Doing what I do, going over a lot of haul roads to get aggregates, it's very bumpy and sometimes those come loose, so let's get those off. The tools we're going to be using for this is our number 8 socket and long extension, and then our ratchet. So that's all you need. So we're going to start taking the 2 up the top. Once you break them loose, which these are already a little bit loose, I'm going over haul roads. So that gives us access to the air filter itself. That just slides right out. Now with this old one, there's a couple things we're going to look at just to kind of see how it's been treating our engine. One is, if you tip it up, does anything come out? It's got a lot of dust in there. Probably shouldn't do it right next to the open hole there. But a lot of guys will blow these out, and if you blow it out, the problem you have is the risk of ripping these in the back. And if you do that, it's just going to be an open pathway. There's going to be nothing stopping all that dust and junk from getting into your engine. So you don't want to blow them out. It's better just to replace them. I replace them every other oil change. I'll replace one of these. I get the cheaper ones on Amazon just because I replace them so often. The link for that's down below. Some guys won't replace these for a very long time, and it's fine as long as you're not going through a lot of dusty conditions and stuff. But with the work I do, I have to replace these very frequently, or else I'm going to have a lot of engine issues. Alright, here I have the new filter. It is always a good idea just to examine your new filter, see if there's any damage to it. This one got a little bit smashed, but I don't see any rips or tears, and so we're probably good. On the back side of that, front side of it looks pretty good, so we're going to go ahead and get this installed. This is at an angle, and the wider end actually goes to the front, so it's going to be like this. Alright, wider end to the front, this to the rear. Should sit in there just nice and snug like that, and then we'll put the cover back on. Alright, cover just slides right back over. It all lines up pretty easy. And then you just get those screws started. And that's how you change the engine air filter on this Cummins X15 International truck. So please remember to like and subscribe. There's information in the details page down below and in the comment. So if you have any questions, go ahead and leave your comments down below. And we'll catch you on the next video.